Mari bergabung dengan Master Marine 1 juta video dunia maritim untuk mengenal dunia maritim. Jangan lupa subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Share dan like.
This video will focus on various aspects relating to the release gear systems and recovery procedures for free-fall lifeboats. Free-fall lifeboats offer various advantages over the conventional davit-launched lifeboats by way of easy launching in adverse conditions. Any lapse in correct procedures can lead to serious casualty and damage to the lifeboat. The crew need to ensure the becket line running around the boat is secured so that it does not foul on the davit when the boat is sliding down. The release lever will be repeatedly operated as a pumping action, which in turn operates the hydraulic plunger. The emergency release valve will be turned clockwise using the small lever provided, building up the hydraulic pressure till the stop pole is opened and boat slides down the davit. The davit is moved to the recovery position by operating the hydraulic telescopic piston. The slings are lowered to the water level, above the lifting hooks of the lifeboat. The boat is positioned under the hook and the sling is connected. The vessel's movement due to wind and seas will severely affect the ease with which the boat can be lifted and stowed in the davit. The anti-jumping arrangement is hoved in to facilitate the easy stowage of the lifeboat.